close your eyes. The world is still, like the hush before dawn. There's a sacred silence that holds you, a living stillness that feels like eternity whispering through your breath. This is your return home, your sacred beginning. Take a deep breath in, feeling the coolness of air entering through your nose, moving down into your lungs, expanding your chest. And as you breathe out, release everything that does not belong to this moment. Every thought, every tension, every piece of yesterday. There is nothing you need to fix, nothing to chase, nothing to prove. You are already whole. You are already enough. You are already aligned with the infinite potential that created you. The soft golden light of morning begins to rise, both within and around you. It kisses your skin with warmth, like sunlight remembering who you are. It touches your mind, soothing every restless corner, melting every worry, until your thoughts become still water. You can feel it, the soft hum of creation pulsing inside your being. You are not waking up to the world. The world is waking up through you. You are the dawn itself, the light awakening matter, the awareness behind every heartbeat, the consciousness that dreamed this day into being. This moment is the beginning of your new reality. You are entering the quantum field, the invisible realm where energy becomes form, where thought becomes matter, where love becomes everything. Breathe in deeply. Let the air fill your body like the first light fills the horizon. And as you breathe out, imagine your entire being softening, your shoulders relaxing, your chest opening, your mind unclenching. Feel the space between your thoughts widening like ripples calming on a vast, endless ocean. Above your head, a radiant light begins to descend. Warm, golden, intelligent. It flows gently into the crown of your head, washing through you with divine precision. It moves through your forehead, clearing every old belief, every limitation that ever told you you couldn't be who you truly are. This light travels through your throat, unlocking your voice, your truth, your clarity, your power to speak love into the world. It flows through your chest, and your heart begins to glow like a rising sun, soft yet infinite. This is the seed of your creation, the bridge between heaven and earth, the gateway between your human self and your divine nature. You are not just a body. You are energy, consciousness, awareness itself, eternal, boundless, free. Let this light move through your stomach, releasing every tension every story of control. Let it flow into your hips, your legs, your feet, anchoring you deeply to the earth beneath you, grounding your infinite energy into this beautiful physical form. You are both vast and grounded, both cosmic and human, both wave and particle. You are the point where heaven touches the earth. Bring your awareness to your heart. Place your attention there as if you are watching the sunrise within your chest. Feel it. The pulse of life, the rhythm of the universe echoing through you. This is where your energy shifts from thought to creation. This is where the quantum field responds to you. Because the universe does not listen to words. It listens to vibration. And the frequency of your heart is the language of the infinite. Let gratitude begin to bloom softly in your heart, like a flower opening to the sun. Gratitude for this body, for this breath, for this morning, for this moment. Gratitude for the unseen forces of love that have carried you here. With every beat, feel your heart expanding, brighter, warmer, fuller. You are glowing with a golden radiance that begins to spread through your entire being. With every inhale, your heart gathers energy from the field. With every exhale, it releases love into the universe. This cycle of giving and receiving begins to balance itself. Perfect harmony, perfect alignment. Whisper softly within your being, I am the vibration of love. I am open to abundance. I am aligned with the rhythm of creation. I am one with all that is. And as these words flow through you, something begins to shift. You can feel the magnetic pulse of life drawing toward you everything that matches this frequency. Health, love, opportunities, joy, peace, prosperity. You are no longer trying to make things happen. You are allowing them. You are becoming the energy that attracts everything meant for you. Because what you seek is already seeking you. The quantum field is alive with your light. Infinite possibilities swirl around you like soft currents of golden mist. Each thought you hold with love becomes a spark of creation. Each emotion you elevate becomes a key that unlocks a door in the unseen. You are not asking the universe for miracles. You are the miracle. You are the source expressing itself as human form, remembering what it means to create consciously. Imagine yourself standing in an endless field of light. The air is alive with color, shimmering gold, silver, soft hues of blue and rose. Each sparkle represents a reality that already exists in potential. A version of your life waiting for your awareness to call it into being. To your left glows the timeline of love, where your relationships are deep, harmonious, and sacred. To your right shines the timeline of abundance, where opportunities flow to you easily and joyfully. Above you, the path of purpose radiates like starlight, your highest calling whispering to you through the language of intuition. You are free to align with any of them because they all already exist. You don't need to work for them, only to match their frequency. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself stepping into the version of you who is already living that life, abundant, radiant, whole. See that version of you smiling, peaceful, centered. They are not waiting for anything. They are simply being. Feel what they feel. The calm confidence, the trust, the joy of knowing. They are guided by something far greater than their thoughts. Feel that emotion expand inside you until your entire being hums with it. That vibration, that feeling, is your creation signal. It is what calls your future into your present. Whisper softly in your heart, I am the frequency of miracles. I am the embodiment of divine flow. I am open to infinite possibilities. I am creating my reality with every heartbeat. You can feel your energy lifting, lighter, clearer, more alive. You are no longer a small being hoping for change. You are consciousness itself, shaping worlds with awareness. You are the observer and the creator, the dreamer and the dream, the wave and the ocean. Everything begins within you. Every outcome is born from your energy first. And your energy is divine, eternal, infinite. The morning sun touches the edge of the horizon, painting the sky in gold and rose. You feel that same light rising within you, expanding through your chest, your arms, your hands, radiating from your eyes. You are glowing, luminous, magnetic. The entire field of creation is responding to you. You have aligned yourself with the energy of abundance, and that energy will echo through your entire day. You will walk through the world as peace itself, magnetizing love, synchronicities, and divine encounters. Every person you meet will feel the calm in your energy and the light in your presence. Every situation will bend in your favor because you are no longer resisting life. You are flowing with it. Whisper once more within your being, I am abundance. I am peace. I am love in motion. I am one with the infinite field of creation. Feel how true it is, not as a thought, but as a knowing. This is who you've always been. Consciousness remembering itself as infinite potential. Smile gently. You are awake, alive, radiant. Your energy has become your prayer, your vibration, your offering to the universe. And the universe responds. Instantly, lovingly, faithfully. Carry this frequency into your day. Walk as the embodiment of divine energy, aware that everything you touch turns to light. Let your words be soft, your heart open, your actions aligned with love. This day will unfold in divine perfection because you are aligned with the source that orchestrates it all. Take one last deep breath. Inhale the brilliance of creation. Exhale the weight of the past. Feel yourself standing tall, illuminated from within, ready to meet this day as the infinite being that you are. The light in your heart is steady. The peace in your mind is clear. The abundance in your energy is undeniable. You are the sunrise. You are the field of infinite possibility. You are the love that dreamed this world into being. You are free. You are whole. You are divine. And so it is.